morning, guys. Welcome back. Currently sitting here watching a little Shark Tank. This show always motivates me in the morning. I don't know what it is. I mean, I guess I do know what it is. It's about entrepreneurs. So I love watching this. And then these are just some Kodiak cakes with some peanut butter, chia seeds, and cinnamon on top. And then I just have water and, of course, my coffee. I know it's fall time, not Christmas time, but I just think this mug is so cute. And I got my coffee in there. Oh, wow. As soon as I start to film, my battery says that it's dying. So we're gonna have to go charge that. I'll do that while I eat. It's actually Monday. Normally I film these videos on like a Saturday or a Sunday because I work full time, but today is actually Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. So I don't have any work, but I still do have a lot of stuff I want to get done today, and like just like errands and then some YouTube work. So I thought I would take y'all along. Right now I'm gonna eat, watch Shark Tank, let my battery charge, and I would show you my outfit, but I'm actually not wearing pants. I just have on underpants, so. Oh, and also cleaning. Another big thing that we're gonna have to do is cleaning. I just walked in my kitchen and it's kind of messy. Now we're gonna clean, but first I do want to take this candle that's burning over here and take it into my bedroom because we're gonna start with cleaning my bedroom, and that's a lot heavier than I thought. This is so dangerous. I'm aware that was a horrible idea, but somehow we got it here safely, so yay for that. I have to make my bed. This is actually all clean. All of these clothes were on my bed, but when I got home, I just wanted to go to sleep, so I just threw everything off, and now it's on the floor. When I clean, I either like to listen to music or a podcast or like a YouTube video where the person is just talking, so it's very podcast-esque, if that makes sense. Like where I don't actually have to be looking at the screen to get what's going on and all of that. Someone I've been really loving is Amy Landino. I think that's how you pronounce her name. So I'm gonna play one of her videos right now while I clean. So today I'm watching Make Time for Everything You Want to Do. Okay, so first things first, gotta make the bed. And let me know in the comments if you also always seem to find socks like under your covers, because I'll go to sleep wearing them, but then at some point during the night, I guess I end up taking them off. So I always find them under there, but I made my bed, and then I'm moving over to fold all of this clean laundry that's on the floor. And I know I've said in previous videos that when I clean, I typically like to listen to music versus watch a YouTube video or Netflix or something. But I do find that when I do laundry, I just get so bored that listening to a podcast or watching a YouTube video that's like just somebody talking. So it's still not that I have to stare at the screen the whole time, but it's a little more interesting than just listening to music. I find that really motivates me. And I like to find videos that are about being productive and inspired and really finding ways to reach your goals in life. And so once I'm done cleaning, I'm already in like a super motivated headspace, and it makes it so much easier to continue my day being productive and getting things done that I have to do and really working towards my goals. Okay, so my bedroom is now clean. I want to go do the kitchen next, or do I want to do the living room next? We'll do the living room next and then the kitchen. Okay, so first I'm going through my little hair care basket. I have my straightener, my curler, different products, my hairbrush, and I like to just keep that right next to my mirror since that's where I actually do my hair every morning. I think it's a perfect place to keep it. So I straightened that out, and then I cleaned off my coffee table, and I'm making my couch. I love this couch. I'm so thankful for this couch. It's from Raymour and Flanigan, their Cindy Crawford home collection, but I actually found it off of Let Go, so I was super excited about that. And then I like to just kind of fluff up the pillows, move them around. The cushions can kind of get pushed out, which is one thing I don't love about it, but everything else is great, so I deal with it. And then my orange blanket is from TJ Maxx, the white one is from IKEA, and my Happy Fall Y'all pillow is from Amazon. Okay, so moving on to the kitchen, I first was just putting some dirty dishes back into the dishwasher, or not back, but putting them in the dishwasher, and I cleared off the counter a little bit. And then I have this jug that I like to fill with water and then stick that in the fridge just so that it's super cold whenever I want some. And then I'm also washing some pots and pans. This is the little container from my rice cooker, so I'm washing those and then drying them. I recently picked up a new scent from the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. This one is called Basil. It smells super good, so really enjoy that. I don't know why I find wiping down my countertops to be so much fun, but I do. So my battery's low again. We're gonna have to charge that for another minute, but Really quick, I want to put this wreath back up. The way that I did it before was I just had this command hook and then this like small little sticky thing. So I want to see if I cut this bigger, sturdier command hook in half, if this will actually work better. So I'm going to attach this to here, put it back up, and then we'll put the wreath up, and hopefully this time it will stay. So now we'll see if this is gonna stay, but doesn't this look so darn adorable? I finally figured out what I wanna do with this section from now on. Obviously Christmas time, I'm gonna put a Christmas wreath there, and then winter time, I wanna find like a wintry decor piece, and then spring and summer, I'll have like a summery wreath there. Okay, so now I have to put my camera battery back on the charger. What I really need to do is order a second battery for this camera. I feel like that would be very smart. And I'll wait to clean the living room until, oh wait, I already did the living room. Oh yay, we're done with all the cleaning. Okay, that's perfect. While my battery's charging, I'm gonna go put some makeup on, get ready, and then I'm gonna probably just do some more work, maybe edit this video, I don't know. And then once this is charged, we'll head over to Walmart real quick. I do wanna make a quick little burrito because it's currently 1 o'clock and I'm hungry. I'm ready for lunchtime. This is seriously like my go-to burrito. It's so good. So I start out with some Gardein beefless ground. I am a vegetarian if you didn't know, and I'll mix that up with some cheese and some taco seasoning. And then while that's in the microwave, I just went ahead and chopped up some onions and some tomatoes. And then instead of combining everything once it's in the wrap, I actually like to put a little bit of sour cream in with the turkey or veggie turkey. And then I'll add in my tomatoes, my onions. I decided to cut up some greens and put that in there. And then I just pour that entire mixture into my wrap it up, and it's super easy to eat and it's super delicious. So I just ate this while I watched a little more Shark Tank. I had to take a left turn and I feel like it's gonna take forever. And it's starting to rain. I think we're gonna have a storm tonight, which I'm really excited about. I love when it storms, so that's fun. Hey guys, I just got back. I'm so sorry. I wanted to vlog a little bit or even get like a few clips in my cart, but it was so darn packed in there. Like it was to the point where normally I don't get frustrated, but I was getting a little frustrated because anytime I would push my cart, there would be somebody coming the other way or from the side or like, so it was just needed to get out of there. I did remember my bag. I was very proud of myself. You can see it's stuffed with stuff. I have lots of Morningstar things. I know this may seem a tad extreme, but whenever I go to Walmart, I like to stock up on these just because, I mean, you freeze them, they last forever, and they're a lot cheaper at Walmart, so I like to get them there. So I just have the buffalo wings, which I'm obsessed with. And then normally they have a value pack with 8 of these, but they didn't have those today, so I just got 2 packs of 4. And then these meatless meatballs are so delicious, so I like having these with pasta. And these are frozen Greek yogurt chocolate fudge pops. These are so freaking good. I love getting these. They like really, when I'm craving chocolate, this is perfect. And then just some more peanut butter, some protein bars, some protein oatmeal I like taking to work, and then toothbrushes. I already have the shampoo of this, but I didn't have the conditioner of it, so I decided to pick that up. And then this is just a body wash that looks really good. And Zoe's gonna be here soon. She texted me and was like, sorry, I'm gonna be a little late. I forgot about Labor Day traffic. She has to drive on the highway to get to my place, but it worked out well because I still have to put all this stuff away. So let's do that now. Zoe's here now. Say hi, Zoe. Hi. She's currently looking up her SD card stuff. She thought she brought the wrong one, but I guess she didn't. But we're having our first editing day. I'm very excited. I'm working on this video actually that you're currently watching, and then I also have a few other ones. This one I'm excited about. It's going up in a week, I think, 2 weeks, but it's all different ways to wake up early, or 5 steps to wake up early. If you watch until this part, let me know in the comments what's something that you like to do with your friends. I'm like so darn excited to be able to have editing dates with Zoe now. And if you're wondering, she's not for her own YouTube stuff. She's actually doing social media and video production for a personal trainer. So she's really excited about that, and I'm pumped to get to edit with her. And if y'all want any more productive weekend in my life routines, I'll have the playlist linked above me. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.